Hello, Mónica. Hello, Mónica.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
Hello, teacher. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Mónica, let's take the speaking test in order to assess your speaking ability, okay?
Yes, teacher.
I'm going to ask you some questions about the video daily life in Canada and life in Toronto, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Tell me about the video, please.
Okay. The first video talk about education in Canada, the benefits of studying there and where students transport themselves. The second video talk about Toronto, which is the capital of Ontario, which is a city with 2.7 million Canadians, and that there were always fun things to do. It is called the Year of Entertainment in Canada. That the weather is good, and then there are different activities to do. For example, visit Lawrence Market, the zoo, downtown Ontario, the distillery, etc. It has different cultures, restaurants, and parking for bicycles. It is very good to visit accompanied or live there with your family. I also talk about university life there since young people from all over the world arrive and education is very good. Well, you will also find musicians in the street and the fun will never be missing.
Okay. Mónica, what were people doing in the video?
In the video,
In the video daily life in Canada.
okay, in the video, a man was playing different instruments. A family was drinking drink in a coffee, and a man was walking a dog. A dog. Also, a woman was reading a book, and a woman was talking on a cell phone.
Okay. Eh, how do people go to a school in Canada?
Okay. Um, uh, in Canada,
Yes. How do people go to a school?
yes, teacher. The people go to school every day. They usually go by bicycle. Some go by car, and sometimes go by bus. Some also prefer to walk.
Okay. Had you ever thought about living in Canada before you watched this video?
Yes, I had thought about living there because it seemed like a very nice place. I had also figured out how to study there, and I had been watching video of the country.
Okay. What are you doing now to prepare for that trip?
I am studying English. I am also finding out every time about the country. I am knowing its culture and customs, and I am preparing to travel.
Okay. What will you do to practice your speaking skill after we finish the course?
I will speak in English with my family. I will also attend the face-to-face workshops of the university, and I will practice exercise.
Yeah, okay, Monica. Monica, what will you be doing if you live it in Canada?
In Canada, I will be knowing many tourist places, and I will also buy many crafts and take many photos. Photos?
Yes.
No more, teacher.
Okay, Monica, we finished the exam. So I will be sending you the feedback. Okay?
Okay, teacher. Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Bye.